Hello everyone, I'm King Hao. In the last video, I demonstrated the storm resistance test of Zhuheng NF05 tape. Zhuheng products also have excellent low temperature operability, can be used in 10 degrees below zero temperature conditions. Let's do a comparative experiment here. Using 2 sets of NF05 tape, each set of 3 pieces. The size of each specimen is 50 mm by 150 mm, and marked separately. The first group was placed at room temperature, and the second group was placed in a freezer for 24 hours, at a temperature of 10 degrees below zero. The aluminum profiles, wood and mortar boards that need to be pasted, are also divided into 2 groups. One group is also placed in the freezer. 24 hours later, we pasted the airtight tape and compacted the tape with a scraper. After pasting, the tape was frozen for another 2 hours. Specimens in the normal temperature group were pasted synchronously, at room temperature. 2 hours later, we tore the low temperature group of specimens on the 3 substrates, by hand in the freezer, and it took large efforts to tear it. It can also be seen that the adhesive backing of the tape showed a good wire drawing state. Compared with the tear test of the specimens in the normal temperature group, whether it is aluminum profile, wood or mortar layer, the adhesion fastness can basically remain consistent, and the effect of backing glue drawing is basically similar. We also used hand tension tester to test the adhesion fastness of the 2 groups of specimens. The difference in force value was less than 10%. It can be seen that the low temperature operation of this NF05 tape extremely excellent, and it is also to solve the problem of winter construction in the northern region. In addition to the performance improvement of Zhuheng, we also optimized the coating method of the back adhesive. The next video to share with you, follow Zhuheng, take you to learn more content about the building airtight materials related.